Hey there, my name's Moggy, and this is Half-Acre Harvest, where I homemake, homeschool, and homestead our half-acre microfarm, and I'm here to teach you to do the same if that's what you want to learn. So today we're going to be making a bacon mayo, which is great for sandwiches and really good as a base for a bacon mayo ranch dressing. So I do want to say before we get started, I'm not sure why there is a carton of flour in the shot. I am clutterblind and I'm good at cooking, but I'm not great at making YouTube videos. So after day 3 of editing, I finally realized, why is there flour in this shot? There's no flour in the recipe, so just ignore that, and if you can get past it, we'll go ahead and get started. So again, this is a bacon mayo, and we're going to go ahead and start with about a cup of bacon grease. So to the bacon grease, we're going to go ahead and add 1 large egg, and everything needs to be room temperature. So just plop it in there, put in a pinch of salt. We're going to go ahead and add about a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard. I'm using yellow mustard, and you can use any kind of mustard you like, and you can adjust the amount of mustard. If you like it a little tangier, you're welcome to add more. This is just a good starting point. So after this, we're going to go ahead and add some lemon juice. I just did a squeeze of lemon, and then I'm going to drop my immersion blender all the way to the bottom of the jar, cover the yolk, and start blending. So once you start blending, you want to leave that immersion blender all the way at the bottom of the jar until you start to see that everything looks really well incorporated. Once it looks like it's incorporated, it's actually still not. So you're going to go ahead and start moving your blender up to the toward the surface and just working it slowly up and down. You don't bring it all the way up, just lift it a little bit at a time, and each time just go a little higher. And what you're doing is pulling the oil from the surface down into the blender to be emulsified. Isn't that satisfying to watch it swirl down? So yeah, just go ahead and keep working that blender up and down slowly. You don't want to rush this part at all. Again, this is great for your sandwiches or ranch dressing. And yeah, that's really it. You can do this. I want to thank you for being here today. I know that you've got a lot vying for your attention, and I appreciate that you stopped by Half-Acre Harvest. If it was valuable, I hope you subscribe and share with a friend. Thanks, and see you next time.